今新幹線に乗って富士山の映像いいの撮りたいなと思ってやってんですけどね。これ富士山です。This is Mount Fuji, highest mountain of Japan. This is the spirit of Japan, Fuji. High is 3,776. Before I've been there nearly 70%, but I never go to top because Azum. But in Fuji Island, if you go to summer, but on the top is very cold. And I supplied 3,776 meters. My friends, Jiki on the top. I surprised she have a boyfriend on the top. She work in Mount Fuji top. She Jiki on the Mount Fuji. Very toughness. Yeah, O2 is a very low level pressure. But she did Jiki on the top of mountain. I surprised. This is Mount Fuji. If you come Japan, should be go to there. I recommend it. This is in the Shinkansen Mount Fuji. Grand view.